Alright, here's another box of Team Coach 2014. Silver, Harry Taylor Gold, Joel Selwood Silver, and West Coast Team Checklist. Daniel Rich Silver and Tom Liberatore Gold. Ivan Maric Silver and Jada Amira Footy Pointer. Nathan Van Berlo. Silver and Hayden Ballantyne Gold. Gold's looking mad. Sam Mitchell Silver and Matthew Pavlich Footy Pals. Mitch Clark Silver and Surioli Gold. And if you notice the golds, they've got the actual photo of the Premiership player, all the Hawthorn ones. Looks pretty cool. Travis Cloak Silver, Trent Cotchin Footy Pal. Ryan Crowley Silver and Lenny Hayes Gold. Zach Due Silver and Harley Bennell Footy Flicks. Stuart Cramery Bulldogs Silver, Jay Schultz Footy Flicks. They've all got like white stuff on them. I don't know what they are. It's like glue or something. Bang! That's a sick photo. Jack Trengrove Silver and Jared Harbrow Gold. Getting a lot of Gold Coast. Chris Judd Silver, Essendon Checklist. Nick Malcheski Silver and Brad Ebert Gold. Joe Danaher Silver And Pierce Hanley, footy pointer. That one is the running handball. Michael Johnson silver and Scott Pendlebury gold. Nice card. Nice action shot. Mitch Wallace silver. Nick Rewalt footy power. Patrick Dangerfield silver, nice, and Kate Simpson gold. Josh Gibson silver, and Jared Roughhead footy flicks. Looks like a little TV screen. Dane Zorko silver and Jed Acock footy pals to Brisbane. Nice. Brett Stanton silver and Lucky Whitfield gold. Mark Lacroix silver, got a few points last week. And Jack Gunston, the dribble kick footy pointer. Brian Lake silver and Scott Thompson gold. Silver Corey Enright and Adelaide checklist. Sam Jacobs silver and Brett Stanton gold. Daniel Jackson silver, and there's a star Patrick Dangerfield. Star Wild, nice. That's 3 stars I've got. Gary Ablett silver and Jay Schultz gold. Gold. Todd Goldstein, Jack Viney, funny photo. Shannon Hearn, silver. Jamie Elliott, footy flicks. Bang. Jack Grimes, silver. Matt Prittis, gold. Brendan Goddard, silver. Fremantle checklist. Mike Pike, silver. And Nick Malcheski, gold. Sydney pack. Lee Montagna, silver, and shepherding for Shane Edwards, footy pointer. Thanks for that, Shane. Second last pack. Chad Wingard, and Isaac Smith gold. Jack Rewalt silver, and Kieran Jack footy pals. Adam Treloar silver and Jack Rewalt gold. Alright, so that's the box break. So the star I got was the Dangerfield star. Wherever he's gone, he's gone for gold. Alright, there it is. There you go. Thanks for watching, people. Enjoy.